Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Reddit marketing video. Today we're going to be looking at karma on Reddit, and the questions we're going to be looking at are: what is karma? How do you build karma? And how much is karma worth? So if we visit Reddit's help desk, on the front page, they have a few promoted articles. My account has been locked. Can I change my username? Recovering a lost or forgotten username. How do I log into Reddit? What is karma? So we'll go ahead and click on that. We've got an article here explaining what karma is. And they've even got a nice little video as well if you wanted to watch that. But what it says is many Redditors like to joke that karma is fake internet points, and there's a lot of truth to that. But even fake internet points can have real meaning to people and the communities they contribute to. On Reddit, your karma is a reflection of how much your contributions mean to the community. How much karma someone has is publicly displayed on their profile, and I will show that in just a moment. And if we scroll down, it tells you how you can earn karma in a few different ways. Posting and commenting is the main way to earn karma. So when your posts or comments get upvoted, you gain some karma. So making posts and comments that communities find valuable is the best way to gain karma. The more upvotes you get, the more karma you'll receive. However, karma is only an approximate reflection of your votes and not a one-to-one relationship. So what that means is you can receive 1,000 real upvotes from other Reddit users, and you might not have 1,000 karma from that. It might be less, it might be more. And the other way that you can receive karma is giving awards to people. So you might see, if you're a regular Reddit user, you might see that Reddit sometimes offers you a free award that you can gift to other users, and you can click on their post or their comment, and it'll give you the option to award them, and you can purchase these as well. So when you receive or give awards, you also gain some karma. However, this form of karma is still somewhat of an experiment, and they do have a link to read more about that. So the main way is posting and commenting, but also you can gain a separate form of karma by giving awards to other users to recognize the contributions that they make to Reddit. Now they do give a little kind of a warning in here, something to keep in mind. Don't set out to accumulate karma. Just set out to be a good person and let karma simply be a reflection of your legacy. And please note, Reddit makes no guarantees about attaining nirvana. So definitely read through there again on your own if you want to learn more about basically what karma is. Next up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up Reddit accounts, and we'll look at how you can see how much karma somebody actually has. All right, so I'm just loading the account here. So this is an account for a user named Too Shifty For You. They have some of the highest karma on all of Reddit. In total, they have over 25 million karma, and they created their account. The cake day is when they created their account. That's July 26, 2015. And if you hover over, it says that they created their account 7 years ago. Now, if we hover over the karma, it actually gives us a breakdown in what type of karma they've received. So they've received 2.4 million post karma and over 23 million comment karma, just over 86,000 awardee karma. That means when people give them awards, they received some karma, and almost 3,000 awarder karma. So that's when they give people the awards. So as you can see, there is a huge difference in the types of karma that they have. Almost all of their karma is comment karma. Now, 2.4 million post karma is still puts them head and shoulders above everybody else, near probably the top 10. So it's not a small amount. They have a ton of post karma, but most of their karma is their comment karma. Comment karma is quite a lot faster to get because it's quite easy to scroll through 10 posts and make 10, interesting or quick comments, whereas to make a post, it's a lot more difficult to get that off the ground. You have to find good content or make a good observation and find the right subreddit to submit it to. And so it is quite a bit of a slower process to get the post karma. But sometimes people have a little system where they will take pictures of their cat every day, for example, or their dog, and they'll upload that to the various animal subreddits, and that can help them farm some karma quite quickly. If you do build up some notoriety on Reddit with an interesting username that people can remember, and you start posting regularly, then you'll notice that you get more upvotes per post. So staying active is key if you want to really build up your karma to levels like this. All right, so the last thing we're going to look at here, which is more relevant to the marketing side of Reddit, is how much is karma worth? Well, one important thing to note is that this karma stays with this account. You can't sell this karma to another user, you can't transfer it, you can't gift it away. Once it's built on this account, it stays on this account. Now, there is still ways that you can make money building karma, and the two main ways that you would do that are either building up accounts and selling those to other people. So that's pretty common these days. Businesses, politicians, that sort of thing, they will buy up aged accounts that have karma built on them, and they'll use that for posting whatever they want to post about their business or about their political campaign, that sort of thing. It adds to the legitimacy. So if you build up an account with, say, 10,000 or 20,000 karma, you don't have to expect to build it up to levels like 25 million. That's unheard of. Even 20,000, 40,000 karma, that's significant amounts of karma, and that's very doable for a marketer. So some people are doing that where they're building karma on accounts and then selling those accounts to other users. Another thing that I noticed recently on some marketing forums is that people are offering to log into your account for you and make quality contributions to Reddit that will build karma on that account. So if you've already got a nice username that you want to use for Reddit, but you either don't have the time or you're not skilled enough to build the karma on your account yourself, you can pay somebody else to build the karma. So that's another service that marketers are starting to get into, where they're offering to go onto your account and build the karma for you. So to get an idea of how much karma is worth, then we would have to look at websites that sell accounts, that sort of thing. So I'm going to pull up a couple of pages and we'll see what the prices are. So if you're into online gaming at all, you'll probably be familiar with this site. This is playerup.com, and they have sales of accounts on all kinds of different games and platforms where people will go on and they'll sell their accounts. Just to give an idea here, we'll just quickly look at the featured marketplaces on PlayerUp. I don't recommend this site in any way. It's just a site that I'm aware of. When I type in buy Reddit accounts onto Google, this is the top result for me. So they sell, for example, and it's not the website. These are all person-to-person transactions, peer-to-peer transactions. So the website's just a host, like a forum. So they sell Clash of Clans accounts, Genshin Impact, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Lords Mobile, all kinds of different things. Add Me Fast. What else? Apex Legends, Call of Duty. So this forum helps people sell a ton of different accounts, and so it is one that I'm aware of. But again, I don't vouch for it in any way. It's just something that I know about. And again, it's the first thing that pops up onto Google when I search in buy Reddit accounts. So let's have a look here and see what some of the prices are. So this one is a 7-month-old account with 450 post karma and 10 comment karma, and they're asking for $6.10, and this is all in US denominations. Another one is 500 post karma, 10 comment karma, 7 months old, $8. Let's try and find one with a little bit more. 4,000 post karma, 1,100 comment karma. They want $24 for that one. Let's try and find more expensive ones. Here we go. So this one's only 2 months old. Only 1,395 post karma. And it says they want $249. So I'm not so sure about that one. What makes it special? I think it's just a user spamming, but let's try and look for a different seller here. You can see if you look, the thread starter on all these is the same, so they're asking for quite a bit on theirs, and I think they're just more like spammers. This one is a 1-year-old account, 2,000 post karma, 356 comment karma. They're asking $33. So you can see there is real money to be made in these accounts. This one here, you'll see it says crypto moonshot account. So a lot of crypto companies are buying up these accounts to be able to post on the various crypto subreddits. So that is driving the market for these right now quite a bit. So anyways, you can browse through this further on your own. Again, this just was one of the top, this was the top result for me, and probably would be one of the top results for you on Google if you search for buy Reddit accounts. And it just gives you an idea of what different marketers are doing to make money off of the karma system. So there's lots of opportunities for marketing on Reddit, and to help you with that, it's a good idea to have a good understanding of what karma is, and I hope that we've answered some questions for you today. If you have any other questions, make sure you add them to the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. Have a good day.